In this video, we are going to fix an error feature update code 0xc0000374 version 1803. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you can do is that you need to run the troubleshooter for Windows Update. How we can do that at day start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Once you have opened the settings window, you need to navigate to the left pane, locate for system, click on it. And after that, you need to scroll down, find for troubleshoot. Next is to go with other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to Windows Update under most frequent. Once you have run the troubleshooter for Windows Update, check if the problem has been fixed, okay? However, if not, then we need to navigate to the next solution, and that is to reset Windows Update components. How we can do that? First is I want you to copy the code that I have given at the YouTube description, this one. Once you have copied it, please paste it here to your notepad. Click on File. Please proceed to the Saved As and please put a name on it. So type for Fix Update, then add an extension for dot or full stop BAT, and then click for desktop as your location and click on Saved. Once you have saved the .bat file, you need to proceed on that. Make a right click while selecting it and then go with the Run as Administrator. If your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So this process might take some time, maybe 5 minutes or more than that. Okay, just type Y here and then click on the enter key so that you can continue. So wait until this process would be finished, and once you are done, restart your computer, and once you've restarted it, try to run the feature update again and check if it's working. Okay? However, if not, then we need to move on to the last solution, and that is to do SFC scan. How we can do that at the search box here, please type for CMD. Once you have typed it, wait until you can see a command prompt system, and from that, you need to navigate to the right side and run it as an administrator. So if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. Now type for SFC space forward slash scan now. Then click on the enter key on your keyboard. Wait until this process would be finished. And once you have done this one, you need to close this window and then restart your computer. Once you have restarted it, try to run the feature update again and check if it's working. Okay? Now that said, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.